This is take 5 or something like that. Omega kept disconnecting. It's like, you know, it is what it is. TCG ranked match. Playing ZOOLICH. Go for Ram Hammer Kong. Checking in. Tiger motor. Oh no, did I? How many? So that's 2, 3, 4. This is my 5th summon right here. Dang it. Tried. Ooh, no nib. Sit, turn into. I gotta destroy a face-up card on the field, the Giant. Monster negate, opponent's turn monster negate with effect veiler, and a special summon. Oh, blue sky. Okay, blue sky. What's blue sky do? Add a MEKK-NIGHT. I think I will Ghost Warner. Negate. And if this leaves the field, no. What is this, end phase? Okay, end phase I'll pop. I'll detach Hammer Kong and then pop MEKK-NIGHT blue sky. Oh, and then it gets the 2000. Original attack 2000. That was a good combo actually. Eldritch, I'll send Aquero to send this one. Infinite impermanence. That's okay. Now it's negated. It should have the X on there, but it does not have the X. Crystalled land. Pay 8. I think I'll add the golden land. I'll take the Conquistador because I already have an Eldritch in there. And I will Eldritch from the grave. Send, add, special summon a zombie monster, which is gonna be himself. Crystalled land. Send to the grave. Well, Aquero was already in there. I'll do another Aquero, right? Conquistador? It's I think it's Jack and 9. I'll do a hammer call. Oh, this column is negated with imperm. Should be an X there too. Something. Okay. Do I want to go that route? Let's give it a try. Activate check and attaching Trident to special summon the Trident in defense. Its effects is negated. That's okay. And we'll go to a Tiger Motor. Activate effect. I will detach a hammer Kong to target and attach a hammer Kong. Won't be able to do that. I'll go to a Borbo. Battle. Eldritch. Direct. 3,500. Oh, I would have killed him with Jill Driver. Fucking idiot. I would have killed him with Jill Driver. It would have been over. With 25, you had 25 left. Damn it! Instead, I'm gonna go for XG Shogun Sky Thunder. And then I will set Conquistador Donendo. Shit. Kidding me? I'm gonna just pop itself. Yeah, I'm gonna pop my own Zeus with 6 materials because he's gonna take control of it. There goes the one pop. I still have one more pop with Trident. Yeah, I'm gonna pop them. Trident pop. We're gonna quick effect. Gonna banish. Add one MEKK-NIGHT. That thing. Got purple. Let's duel wins. That's it. That is it. Draws the lightning stone. Thank you. Damn it. Ram. I can't even attack this turn, so Crystal Land. Crystal Land pay 8. Adding ZOOLICH. Normal summon Ram. Go into a Hammer Kong. Jack and 9. 3. Fourth summon would be Trident. Turnando. I hope I draw another spell or something. I need to get rid of the Cursed Eldland. I need to pop it. I have one face-up card pop. Opponent's turn. Target. Face-up effect monster negate. And anything from deck. Oh, it's gonna evenly match me. No, nothing. Yes, come on. Toro! Tenki. No. It's okay. Oh yeah, let's just activate the Outland. Let's get the keys to the door. Get another pop there. I'll save the lightning storm just in case. I'm gonna have to send the 10 key to send Outland. That is a Quero. Sure, already. Oh, yeah, okay, never mind. Let's send to grave. Eldritch in the grave. I can send the 10 key. Add special summon a zombie, which is gonna be himself. Gains 1,000. Cannot be destroyed by my opponent's card effects till the end of his turn. Let's go into Hammer Kong. Chaka 9. Why can't I activate Chaka 9's effect? No, god damn it. What? A touch. Oh, he's not even in the grave. Why can't I activate? What's his name's effect? I'm using a lot of resources there. Well, I should have put him in defense. Or put him in attack. God dang it. This is gonna be a ton. 8 material. Battle. Eldritch Direct. Kinda did a misplay there, put Borbo in defense, so I had to go to a drill driver. In phase 2, I'll set the Conquistador. And then end phase, Aquero will get banished, so I could set the Scarlet. Okay. Harpy's Feather Duster. 1 and 2, or 2 and 3. No. Summon a monster. Let's go Eldritch and defense. Special. And we pop our own Eldritch. Yeah, let's pop our own Eldritch. Why not? He's in the grave now. I could set something and then revive him back. Lightning Storm! Oh, Eldritch. Can I be destroyed? There goes all my... A lot of Avarice would be nice by now, but it's not in the deck. Yes! Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Not perfect! Yes, I'm not 900 anymore. Where was I? I was at 987 with a couple disconnects, and it made me lose rank. I finally won a rank, then I went from 987 to 1025. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.